Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naufan Saputra, and in this opportunity, I will explain about my final exam of reading for academic purpose by Mr. Agus. The title of subject is analyze the use of code switching and code mixing in the film Bumi Manusia, direct by Hanung Bramantio. The one question is, what is the main idea of this article? The main idea is analyze the use of code switching and code mixing in the film Bumi Manusia, classify the types thereafter, and explore the sociolinguistic reason behind their usage. And then the two question is, choose one paragraph from the article, identify the topic, sentence, and explain how it introduced the paragraph from the introduction section, early part of the article. This study aimed to find the use of code switching and code mixing in the film Bumi Manusia, then determine each type based on the select reference, then determine reason for using code switching and code mixing in the film. Topic sentence. This study aimed to find the use of code switching and code mixing in the film Bumi Manusia. And then explanation. This sentence clearly introduces the focus of the paragraph, which the purpose of the research to identify the use of code switching and code mixing, classify their types, and understand the reason behind their usage. The rest of the paragraph expands on this main point. The third question is, what is the general purpose of the author in writing this article? The author aimed to identify how often and which types of code switching and code mixing occur in the film, classify the finding using linguistic theories, example intra or intersentential, inner or outer mixing. Explain the sociolinguistic motivation, example group identify, solidarity, emphasize clarification behind the use of mixed language by character in the film. The fourth question is, based on its structure and content, is the article a research report, argumentative essay, or literature review? Why? Based on the structure and content, this article is research report, namely qualitative descriptive research, because it includes a methodology section, film observation, dialogue, documentation, analysis. It presents original data collected from analyzing character dialogue. It has research and discussion section with table and percentage showing how often each type occurs. And lastly, the conclusions are based on empirical data, not just opinion. A literature summary. It's not an argumentative essay because it doesn't aim to persuade, nor a literature review. Because it's not summarizing previous studies but doing original analysis. This study examines the phenomenon of code switching and code mixing in the film Bumi Manusia by Hanung Bramantio using qualitative method. The researchers analyze Character dialogue, identify and classify language mixing. The findings show code switching research more frequently 20 12 times than code mixing. Each time, the most common type of code switching was sentential 31%. Code mixing include both inner mixing from native language and other mixing from foreign language. Reasons for using mixed language include group identity, solidarity, reinforcement or softening of common, clarification and lexical need. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.